If you want to learn how to use Leonardo AI Canvas, this video will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to upload an image, position it correctly, edit specific objects with Inpainting, and export your finished artwork to your computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple AI design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into Leonardo AI and open the Canvas editor from the left dashboard menu. This is where all the magic happens. Canvas is designed to help you edit, expand, and refine images in a more controlled way than just generating from scratch. Once the Canvas editor opens, look to the left toolbar and click Upload Image. From here, you can choose an image directly from your PC, or you can select one from your previous generations if you already created something inside Leonardo AI. This gives you a fast way to continue working on existing visuals without starting over. After your image loads, choose the Select tool, which is the arrow icon on the toolbar. Use this tool to position your image where you want it on the canvas. You can move it around and adjust the placement so it sits properly in your workspace. This step is important because clean positioning makes the editing process much easier. Next, drag the purple generation frame over the area you want Leonardo AI to work on. Think of this frame as the section the AI will focus on. You want to place it carefully around the object, edge, or empty space you plan to edit or improve. If the frame is too small or too large, your result may not look as accurate, so take a moment here and make sure it's aligned properly. Now move into the configuration stage. On the right or top panel, set the canvas mode based on the type of edit you want to make. This tells Leonardo AI how to interpret the area inside the frame. Then set the number of images you want the tool to generate. If you want more creative options, increase the number. If you want a quicker workflow, keep it lower. This helps you balance speed and variety. Now let's say you want to edit an object inside the image. For that, click the Draw Mask tool on the left toolbar. This tool lets you paint directly over the object you want to change. Carefully brush over the part of the image you want removed, replaced, or modified. The masked area tells Leonardo AI exactly where to focus its Inpainting. After masking the object, go to the right panel and adjust the Inpaint strength. This setting controls how strongly Leonardo AI changes the masked area. If you want a subtle edit that blends naturally, use a lower strength. If you want a bigger transformation, increase it a little more. Finding the right balance here can make a huge difference in the final result. Next, type your modification into the bottom prompt bar. Be as clear as possible about what you want Leonardo AI to generate in the masked area. For example, instead of being vague, describe the replacement in detail so the AI understands the style, object, and look you want. Clear prompts usually lead to much better results. When everything is ready, click Generate. Leonardo AI will create one or more versions based on your settings, mask, and prompt. Then use the arrow controls to cycle through the options and preview each variation. Look for the one that fits best with your image and your intended style. Once you find the version you like, click Accept to apply it to the canvas. This locks in the result and lets you continue editing if needed. You can repeat the same process for other parts of the image until your design looks exactly the way you want. When your artwork is finished, it's time to export. Click the Download Artwork arrow on the left toolbar to save your final image to your PC. That's the last step. And now you've successfully used the Leonardo AI Canvas from setup to export. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Leonardo AI guides, AI art tutorials, and step-by-step creative workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.